Hey everyone, today we have a small but exciting unboxing from Cubezz. Took just under 3 weeks to arrive, which is pretty good. This is gonna be Square-1 heavy, as you know from the title. There's also an FTO in there. Nice. Alright, so so this is, let me start with the FTO first, in case you don't care about Square-1. Let's get that out of the way. So this is the Landman face-turning octahedron, if you're not familiar with the puzzle. So it turns on the faces, and this is the best one apparently that's available, which is not saying much, but nobody so far has stepped up to make a modern one. I have no idea how to solve this, but I'm gonna scramble it anyway to try some turns. It's not bad. I can see how it's usable for speed solving. Definitely gonna need some lubing, tensioning, breaking in, etc. But it's not frustrating to use. Looks cool. I'm probably gonna change the stickers. They're nice, nice quality, nice shade, but a bit boring. Yeah, lovely puzzle. Looking forward to learning to solve it. Right now, I have absolutely no clue how to even approach it. Square-1s. Now, I'm a little annoyed because I ordered the MF8 Square-1 actually to get stickers. So it's supposed to come unstickered and with 2 sets of stickers, but no extra stickers, and yeah, and it comes stickered. So I'll see if I can reuse the stickers. A lot of stickers can be removed and reapplied at least once without too many issues. So I guess I'll give the Square-1 a try. I was really looking at it like I get 2 sticker sets and a free puzzle. Oh boy, I'm losing track here. No idea what I'm doing. I was trying to do the parity alg, but it's so terrible that I got a little lost. Yeah, also I was expecting, it used to have stickers with the green and blue for the U and D layers. So yeah, bit disappointing, but no big deal. It's like $5, it's an extra Square-1. I'll see if I can sort it out with Cubezz. They're usually quite helpful. The other bad one that I got is this Cyclone Boys one. I've heard nothing good about it, but reviews go between it's okay but not great to it's really terrible, so I was curious. It seems quite tight. That's fine. It's not bad. It's not good. So it feels a bit lucky, but it's also a bit tight and dry. Shades are really nice. So yeah, not bad. I will definitely make a follow-up video with a review after I set it up, and because there's not much on YouTube about it. This is the Weilong Square-1, which came out soon after the Chigi one, and apparently it was okay, but not quite as nice, so nobody switched. The design seems pretty similar to the MF8 V3 Square-1, the cubing classroom. So I suppose it should be decent at least, and the main reason I got it is it's primary plastic, and it's the only one you can buy in primary plastic these days. So nice for the collection. I was actually planning to resticker it with the spare set from the from the MF8. Oh, this is nice actually. It has a really typical Moyu feel, like out of the box scratchiness. Yeah, it's not super fast, but I mean, it feels really nice. It has some corner cutting, which is not true of all Square-1s. It's a bit slow at the moment, but presumably that can be arranged with time. I would say it's nicer than I expected. Worth having if you want a primary one, or just a spare one if you like thin middle layers. Yeah, it has a blocky feel. It's kind of reminiscent of the Yulong GT, maybe something like that. It feels like there's a lot of plastic going on inside the pieces. But nice design. And one thing I'm curious to try, and I will also make a follow-up video if it turns out to be interesting, is like the MF8 V3 Square-1, it has screws here, so that you can make the layers faster or slower, but here there are springs also, so it's supposed to be tensionable here, which I'm not sure makes sense, but I'll give it a try. And finally there's the Yulong Square-1, which is basically the exact same design as the cubing classroom one, except for a small difference in the feet of the edges and it's quite dirty. The feet of the pieces. There's a track on the middle slice, and on the MF Square-1 the pieces lie on top of it, and here they go in the track. But design otherwise is exactly the same, and the difference is it's a different plastic, like glossy plastic and a bit harder. So I expected it to be good, and it is. It's like the same basically, just different plastic. If you prefer glossy plastic and you like the MF Square-1, this will make you happy. And it also has that typical Moyu scratchy dry feel. Really nice. Lovely. So, much nicer than the Weilong, I have to say. Very dry. I'll also make a review of this one because there's also pretty much nothing on YouTube. Alright, that's it for this unboxing. See you next time.